So I wanted to show you all my dressing rooms that I'm actually doing. So this is the dressing room, and look how gorgeous. It's gold walls with glitter. Can you all see that? How amazing is that? I mean, of course it's not, you can't really see the depth of it, but it's amazing. And it's like smooth to the touch. It's pretty amazing. And I'll show you all how to do this so that you all can create this in your room or dressing room, of course. So yeah, okay, so I did half of the wall here, and this side of the room, the third dressing room that I have in my Lula boutique, actually has another wall that originally was blue, and I'll show you. It used to be the man cave, so I'm actually painting those walls too, a different color. And anyway, so what I did first was I actually went to Sherwin-Williams first and could not find a gold. So I went to Lowe's, and they have this gorgeous metallic gold. You can see how beautiful. And they actually put glitter inside the paint when they mixed it, which is really awesome. So I did 3 coats. I might have done 2 coats in this room, 2 thick coats. In the first room, I did 3 thin coats. So because it is texturized, it tends to take the thicker layers pretty well, so it doesn't like do some crazy drips. So yeah, and then what I did was, so far I applied, this one tends to be a little thicker in here. I feel like you can really see. Oh my gosh, is that not amazing? So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to show you all what I did. So all you have to do is get Mod Podge, guys. Yeah, it's so super easy. Get some Mod Podge, and it has to be the gloss. See the gloss luster? Yeah, it has to be the gloss. And then what you do is you take all different types of glitter. So I literally just bought, like, I love this iridescent, like a snow color. It's really pretty. And then just all different shapes and sizes. I got some things at Walmart. Most of the glitter I got at Hobby Lobby. So it's really just, I did several different shades. And you basically mix up, yeah, look how big that one is. It's so awesome. But it's absolutely gorgeous. You really love, you really want to get a lot of different sizes. Now this one's really pretty. This one's perfect if you don't have a great coat of paint already, because this is actually so fine that it becomes almost like a paint itself. It's really pretty. So then all you do is you mix it up. See all the different sizes? You just mix it up until you get a really thick consistency, and then you paint it on. I will go ahead and show you all the consistency, and then I'll paint on the wall so you all can see. It's basically really thick. Like you can see, it's actually quite thick. It's very much like concrete, like cement. So it's basically really thick consistency. And what I would suggest is when you are applying to the wall, I would actually press the bowl all the way up against the wall and then paint above it. That way any drips is going to go right into your bowl. Obviously it's very messy, and I would clean it up almost immediately. I think I've seen some people before say, oh, it's no big deal, you can just chip it off. But honestly, I feel like it's just a lot easier if you just take a wipey or some kind of damp cloth and wipe it, because it's going to become a glue basically. So you really want to clean it up as fast as you can. But I'll show you all the, well, you all saw the end result earlier, but I still might show you again. If not, you'll see a picture, I'm sure. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this. And yeah, I will see you all later. Bye. Okay, so I wanted to show you all one last time what it looks like. Just kind of get an idea. It's absolutely super glamorous and amazing. And I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.